In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix links not opening on Bluesky. Links may not open on Bluesky due to app or browser restrictions, outdated app versions, or connectivity issues. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version and check your device settings to confirm that Bluesky has permission to open links. On your home page, tap onto these three lines. Select Settings. You will want to select on Content and Media. Onto the second last option of Use in-app browser to open links, make sure to turn it on. When enabled, links will open up to external browsers such as Safari or Chrome. If the issue persists, try clearing the app cache or switching to a different browser for link redirection. Well, that's how easy it is to fix Bluesky links not working. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.